It's time for the final reveal of the 1952 vintage wedding dress restoration. This item was donated by a follower, and along with it she donated another dress from the family from the 1970s. This beautiful Gunny Sax dress was worn to a violin concert, and it definitely needed a little love. Up next was the 1952 wedding dress. Originally criticized for its simplicity, we all love it, just like the bride did. As always, I get to work washing both of these dresses right away. I go over all of the products I use and how I do this in many of my live streams. So be sure to tune in if you ever see me live one day if you want to know more about this process. This gown took 2 washes, and you could see all of the dirt that came out of it. After washing and letting soak for a few hours, I did a final rinse and then I let it drip to dry. But then I had another mystery on my hands. What was I supposed to do with the back of this dress? After steaming, I was delighted to find out that this was the final result once tied. And here is what this beauty looks like from the front now. It's a soft, warm white, and I feel like the color is perfect for this silk chiffon to help the details pop. And I'm so happy seeing that the back of this dress adds something so special and unique, even in its simplicity. At first, it felt like I hadn't done much until I saw these side-by-sides. And now I can see that this dress really did undergo a great transformation. And I can't wait for this one to get its second chance. Now on to the Gunny Sax dress. After washing and steaming, here she is. That dusty green is now more of a beautiful, powdery sage. And I love the shape that it has now. Once again, these side-by-side photos really show me that this went on quite a journey, and even though it's not absolutely perfect, I love how it turned out. What do you think about these restorations? Be sure to share your comments with me, and thanks for watching.